Guys, a couple of days ago, I uploaded a video on the best video editor, and I received great support from all of you. However, one of my subscribers left a comment on that video requesting a detailed video on the ShotCut app. So I thought, why not create a detailed video on the ShotCut Video Editor? In this video, I'll provide you with a complete overview of this video editor, covering how to download, install, and use it. So let's get started with the video.
Let's roll.
You can find the link to this zip file on my website. I have provided two links, one for 64-bit PC and the other for 32-bit PC. So choose the one that is suitable for your PC and download it. After downloading, you will receive a zip file, which you need to extract. Once the extraction is complete, you will see a folder in which you should launch the setup file. Now, accept the license agreement. Choose the directory and click on the install button. After the installation is complete, you need to go to the Start menu and search for the ShotCut app. Then, you should create a shortcut for this app on your desktop. Once the shortcut is created, simply launch the app by clicking on it. When you launch it for the first time, you will see an interface similar to this. Here, you will notice several options, and I will explain each of these options to you in detail. So let's get started. First, the app will prompt you to create a new project. You should go ahead and create a new project. For this, you need to choose the location where you want to save your project. Make sure to select a location that you can easily access. After that, you need to give your project a name, and then you need to choose the quality of your project. You can choose a custom quality if you want, but for now, I'll select 720p. After choosing the quality, click on the Start button. A new project will be created in the Recent section, where you need to double-click to open it. So now our newly created project has launched, and we can start editing in this project. On the left-hand side, you will find a playlist section where our main work will begin. Whatever videos, clips, music, or pictures you import into this software will appear in this section. To import any file, click on the button above, and then select the file you want to import. Alternatively, you can also drag and drop files to import them into the software. In addition, you can customize this section according to your preference using the button above. But for now, I'll leave it in the default look. Above, you'll find various options, clicking on any of which will open a new tab. So, this was a complete overview of the software, and now we'll go into each option in detail. First, you need to take any clip you imported and drop it onto the timeline. Here, you'll find the preview section where you can preview your edited video and also trim it. To trim, you can use shortcut keys. Clicking the I button will trim the clip from the start, and if you press the O button, it will trim from the end. In addition, you can adjust the timeline according to your preference, and you can also add new audio or video tracks by right-clicking on the timeline. If you need to edit the clip in more detail, you can zoom in or zoom out on the clip. Right now, you may notice a magnetic effect between these two clips. You can click on this button to turn it off, allowing you to freely position the clip as you wish. Along with that, you will find another button here that allows you to add cuts between videos, and you can also perform this task by pressing the S button. If you make a mistake during editing, you can use Ctrl+Z or Ctrl+Y to undo or redo. To add filters, you need to select the clip and then click on the filter button above. As soon as you click, a new box will open where your clip will already be selected. Now, you need to click on the plus icon, and then you will be provided with a variety of filters. Simply double-click on the filter you want to add, and it will be applied to your clip. Additionally, you can also add filters to your audio. Below, you will see a filter bar where you can adjust the level of the filter. Guys, we've talked about visuals, but we haven't discussed audio. Adding audio is also very simple. You just need to right-click on the timeline and choose the Add Audio Track option. Then, you can simply drag and drop the imported audio onto the timeline. When it comes to adding text, it's also very simple. You need to go to the upper section and click on it. Then, from the drop-down menu, select the text option. After that, you need to type your text here and click OK. Then, click on this button and your text will be added. To export the video, you need to click on this button and choose the quality. Then your video export process will start. So guys, that was a complete overview of the ShotCut app. I hope I have cleared all your doubts effectively, but if you still have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. Also, let me know which topic you'd like for the next video, and I'll do my best to bring it to you. You can also check out these videos. They might provide you with some additional help.